Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Whether you are looking to expand your product line for your brand or you are a designer aiming to increase your income by joining the print-on-demand industry, baseball caps are an ideal product. Now let's jet in our result. Our baseball caps are made from 100% canvas material, featuring a flat brim that can be easily adjusted to fit different head shapes. The 6-panel construction with breathable eyelets ensures excellent ventilation. In addition, the surface is easy to wash, keeping the cap clean. We use heat transfer printing technology for spot print or overprint on our caps, ensuring wide brand designs. We also offer embroidery options, perfect for adding your brand's logo. Baseball caps are both stylish and practical accessories. Whether for everyday casual wear, outdoor sports, or team events, they provide some protection, functionality, and a fashionable touch. And baseball caps are an ideal choice for promoting your brand during marketing campaigns. Their versatility and practicality make baseball caps highly favored by print-on-demand sellers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to follow our latest products. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.